What's up, everybody? This is Dr. Green Thumb Gaming, and I'm here to tell you Starlink is some crazy shit. So, for all of you who don't know, Starlink is an internet service provided by SpaceX. What makes it different from traditional satellite internet services is that Starlink satellites are a lot closer to Earth in what they call low Earth orbit satellites. What this means in layman's terms is that you can get city-like internet speeds with the fucking satellite dish. So it wouldn't be a Starlink video without me showing you the box, so while you look at the box, I'm going to take me a hit. Alright, now we can move on. Setup was simple, took about 5 minutes. I set it up in my front yard, connected all the cords.
So I got everything all hooked up. There's the power block with the power over Ethernet cord going to Dishy, and then the white cord going over to the router, which the light's still blinking.
So after that, it took Dishy about, I'd say, 5-10 minutes to calibrate, in which at first it pointed straight up, and then after that it had a slight tilt to true north. And then bam, right off the bat, my first speed test that I ran while the Dishy was sitting in my front yard, I got 170 megabytes per second speed. So after that, I packed everything up because I was waiting on my roof mount, which I ordered a day after I ordered the Starlink kit, and it arrived about 4 or 5 days after I got the kit. So next I want to talk about the app, because the app's pretty badass. I'm a big fan of it. So with the app, you can check for obstructions, you can see your usage data, you can stow the dish for if you want to move it, you can see how many devices are connected to your network. So really cool, really intuitive, easy to use. The only downside is if you're using your own router, you cannot use the app and use all of its features. So once my roof kit got delivered, I went up on my roof and I used the Starlink app and I checked all over the roof where the best place would be to mount it. And luckily I found a good place that was by my front porch, so it wasn't over a livable area, so I wasn't worried about leaks, or I should say I wasn't worried about leaks as much. But so I checked for obstructions. It looked like that walnut tree in the back, you can see it in the photo there, was going to be a problem. But luckily enough, the app said that it was out of the view of the dish. So I got it mounted up there, ran my cord through my window just to get a quick speed test, and right off the bat, look at what I got for speeds. Now let's address gaming, which is probably why a lot of you are here. And the short answer is it's pretty badass. I've only had one disconnect so far, and I've had Starlink up for about a little under a week so far since it's been on my roof, and minimal lag. I won't go into technical details on this video because I might save that for an update video, but just believe me guys, Starlink is legit for gaming. To be honest, I haven't been able to notice a difference between my old broadband connection and Starlink, which I believe is a testament to how good the service is. Which begs the question, if I'm living in a city and I have access to broadband internet, why would I want to switch to Starlink? Well, let me explain. So with my old broadband provider, I was paying about $140 a month for 100 megabytes per second download speeds. With Starlink, I'm paying $99 a month flat for, as you've seen earlier, up to 300 megabytes speed, and that's unlimited as well. On top of that, Elon promised 19 millisecond pings for everyone by this summer and 300 megabyte download speeds for everyone by the end of 2021. And guess what? I don't mind supporting a company that's going to get us back to the moon and to Mars, because we all know stoners love space. Which I would like to add, Dishy is approximately 420 millimeters in diameter. Fun fact. So in closing, if you can't tell, I've been really impressed with Starlink so far. The only negative thing that I have to say about it is in the past week I've had about 2 or 3 dropouts due to beta downtime, and they've only lasted about a minute or two each. And that's it, guys. I have no other complaints about it. It's been working good for me and my family. And Elon has told us that the service is only going to get better going into the future, so count me in as a true believer. With that said, sorry for the shitty audio. I'm using my gaming headset to record this video. But other than that, guys, please like and subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video.